Hello. Today I am looking at mechanical pencils, and I've got the Papermate here. This is the, see if you can see that, Advance number 2 pencil, premium middle barrel design. Comes in a 2-pack. This is the other one. This one has a retractable tip for storage. It's refillable. It's got a eraser at the tip there, like many common mechanical pencils. It'll say here, I don't know if you can see that on there, Papermate, and then it says right here 0.7 millimeter. There's the eraser. It's a small one. Not really sure why they even bother sometimes. So you can see the tip retracts. Well, maybe see it better there. But here, let me show you better on camera. So you can see the lead comes out just fine. And then the barrel retracts, as you can see. And this one, I got the Papermate HB 0.07. Let's do a sample so you can see what it looks like. So here's some letters. Some numbers. Some lines. And I am turning the barrel, as you can probably see. It's just the way I was taught. Some doodles. And there you can see it. I'm going to go ahead and use an eraser. Let me go ahead and do some really good lines so you can really see these two different erasers that I'm going to use. I have this black one by Pentel, and I have this stick eraser by Faber-Castell. One, two, three, four, five. Papermate, as you can see, erased rather good on both accounts. And I will try to be as consistent as I can on the other pencils and lead that I'm going to be doing. And I have 20 different leads and basically 19 different pencils, mechanical pencils. 2 are the same model, just a different size lead type. Lead size. One's a 0.7, one's a 0.5. But they have different leads in them. One has, well, you'll see. All right. Thank you, and enjoy the next 20 videos of me looking at mechanical pencils. Oh, need to do the balance. I wanted to do that. There's the balance on this one. I think it's a good pencil. It's a little top heavy for long-term writing. And yeah, I'll try to include those kinds of points in the other pencils. It's a good weight. I like the weight, but it's a little top heavy. All right, thank you.